Relax and take 3 deep breaths and let them out very slowly. Begin now. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. And again. Inhale deeply and slowly exhale. Once more, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. You are very relaxed and focused now. You are in a state of positive peace. As you remain in this state, you begin to envision being in the environment of paradise. See the white sand, white stones, blue sea water, and green foliage. Hear the songs of exotic birds and the sound of waves crashing to the shore. The gentle breeze and warm sun both graze your skin in a pleasant and wondrous way. Feel the mist of the ocean spray on your skin as you relax even further. You see a white stone pathway that leads into an enchanted wilderness. You begin on the path as you walk under a canopy of exotic trees. As you get closer to the end of the path, you hear the babbling of running waters. As you get to the clearing, you see a beautiful waterfall that cascades into a hot, steaming spring. You see the steam rising from the spring as you get closer. You step into this hot spring and feel the water cleanse your body and soul. Feel the surge of energy and peace flow throughout you. You step under the cascading waterfall and feel the cleanse. You feel the water cleanse away all unharmonious and negative energy. You take one step outside of the waterfall and you are completely dry. You see the entrance to the manifestation chamber. As you enter the chamber, the power of the ancestors surges through every facet of your being. A pillar of light comes down from above and encapsulates your entire being. This light cleanses your being inside and out. You feel all doubt, helplessness, fear, uncertainty, and any other unwanted and unneeded energies become obliterated by the pure energy that denotes power, abundance, peace, happiness, and blessings. You have a higher power and mission inside of you. You must reach that point of no return and leave your past behind. Nothing that happened before today matters. Everything starts now. You possess all of the knowledge and power required to make your goals come to life. You possess all of the faculties and abilities to draw relationships from those that will help make your vision come to light. You are now bold, brave, and unstoppable. There is nothing that you cannot find a solution to accomplish. You are now activated as a divine manifestation, and a divine manifesting force of nature. There is no turning back now. Any negative programming from your early years is fizzling away, never to return again. All that remains is the truth of your abundant power and ability to attract great wealth. This is the beginning of the new beginning. You will sense your attitude, actions, and results begin to change. Your default thought pattern is now focused on what you are manifesting towards your ultimate goal. Take everything as a win. You are a new man. Vibrant health and wealth are your true realities. This is who you are now. This is who you will be forevermore. There has always been a choice. There will always be a choice. Grow, expand, and prosper. Grow, expand, and prosper. Grow, expand, and prosper. Enchanted wonders fill your mind. Enchanted wonders fill your mind. Enchanted wonders fill your mind. You are the enchanted wonder. There is an inherent magic and power about you that everyone can feel radiating forth like the sun. They want to please you and make your life better. There is no need to do anything except rejoice. Life is now simpler for you, and yet you are now able to enjoy much more than you have ever been before. You have come to the realization of your real truth. The blindfold is lifted. You were placed here as a noble sage with the power to do what any of the greatest of humans has accomplished. Never forget that you are the divinely powerful one sent to make the world a better place. Do your part. The pillar of light has grown so bright that it is too bright to look directly into. This is the power of your light, adding to the power of the pillar of light. Make no mistake, this power now belongs to you. Think of your exalted name repeatedly as your cellular structure becomes reprogrammed by the light. Your godly DNA is becoming fully awakened now. Be not swayed by the thoughts and words of others. Be energized by your mental and physical abilities to do whatever you wish. You are no longer the type of person that feels the need to argue or prove points to others in debate. You are the specimen of truth, and others may not always be willing to face or accept their truth, or yours for that matter. The fact still remains that you are not the average human being in this world. You have a purpose that most wouldn't feel is possible for one individual. They can only see the power, but they cannot understand the true light that you radiate. Your wisdom and charisma is the only thing they can understand about you. Your words and presence are enough to make others feel good about themselves and you. All knowledge is not for everyone, so don't try to educate those that are not willing to learn. They will learn from your actions more so than your words. Others find it easy to agree with you because your words are wise and enchanting. You don't have to worry about breaking character because you are now this person without trying. When you awaken, you will feel the real difference. You have been replaced with your higher self. Your former self has been obliterated in the light, the pure light of your ultimate truth. And all that is left is the magic, wisdom, and wealth power that has always existed hidden within. It is now time for you to face your past and the instances that led to the dulling of your light and the poverty that you have been victimized by, which has been inflicted upon by yourself. These illusions will now be revealed and cast away from you. Take one step out of the pillar of light and see your glorious light shine brilliantly. See your throne in the center of the chamber as it beckons you. You proceed towards your throne. You get the feeling that when you take your throne, a new energy and knowledge is about to be awakened within you. Your past will be erased and rewritten in a way that means that you are naturally in your highest state of thought and being, unwavered by the thoughts, expressions, and words of others. You are the influencer and not the influenced. Now, take your throne. Feel the tremendous surge of power as it engulfs your entire being. The power is undeniable. Welcome to your new reality, sire. There are instances in your past that have allowed you to hinder your prosperity. Your value was questioned and you were affected by the expressions of others. Their opinions of you were clearly wrong. Stop and think of some of these false limiting thoughts that you have accepted as truths, and release and forgive the individuals that held and expressed these falsehoods to you. Feel empowered as you say to them, "It is unfortunate that you do not see the power that I was blessed with. But I understand your limited vision as to my reality. The truth will be revealed. I forgive and release you with love." You feel the lightness of knowing that this new reality is true, that this has rewritten your past and created the powerful present and future that has now been bestowed upon you. The wall of the chamber becomes a projector screen. On the screen is a magnificent scene of a reality that you are now creating in your future. See the scene as vivid, and the only thing missing is you. You stand from your throne and begin to levitate towards the screen. You enter into the scene and see the scene from your own eyes. You are living your reality. Your charisma, your wisdom, and abundance is in full display. See yourself thriving in different situations now. Let your magic and power flourish. What a sight to see. You are powerful, capable, and willing. Powerful, capable, and willing. Powerful, capable, and willing. As sure can be. Your life is now changed. Rejoice in your new reality. As you prepare to awaken and return with the power and wisdom that this experience has given you, a new scripture has been written for your life now. Accept it and rejoice in it. Return to your throne now and rest in your newly empowered reality. See the pillar of light from above radiate your throne. This pillar is a teleportation beam that will send you back to your waking state with this new reality in tow. You will begin to flourish in every aspect of your life. This is not a fantasy.